Ever feel like your claims are disappearing into a black hole inside AthenaHealth? Let's talk about the mysterious claim hold queue. It's one of the most overlooked parts of Athena's billing workflow, and it might be why you're not getting paid on time. Here's what's really going on. Athena's system runs every claim through a rules engine. If something looks off, like missing insurance info, a coding mismatch, or a flag for rework, the system automatically puts that claim on hold. No loud alert, no flashing error, just stuck. The purpose? To give your billing team a chance to fix issues before the claim hits the payer. Smart in theory, but if no one's actively managing that queue, claims sit, revenue waits, and worse, if you're not reviewing claim notes or documenting resolutions, things can fall through the cracks fast. That's where RCM Expert comes in. We monitor your hold queue daily, investigate every pause, and clear claims efficiently, so you get paid faster and with fewer denials. Stop letting silent holds stall your revenue. Let RCM Expert untangle your claim workflow and keep your cash flowing. Schedule your free Athena claim audit today.